The 2014 summer school marked this year our 5th anniversary of another successful summer school in Comparative Conflict Studies. This year, 60 students from more than 20 countries attended the 4 courses we offered. Reimagining the Balkans, Inquiries into Diversity, Borders and Migration with Dr. Jelena Tosic. Rethinking Transitional Justice, Lessons from the Balkans and Beyond with Dr. Olivera Simic. From the discourse of brotherhood and unity to the discourses of EU integration, the case of transition in Serbia with Dr. Jelisaveta Blagovic. And the challenge of international intervention, balancing justice and order with Dr. Maxine David. In celebration of our 5th anniversary this year, Summer School offered a unique keynote lecture with our guest from Tel Aviv, Professor Edith Zertal. More than 130 guests, participants of the summer school, and students and scholars from Belgrade attended her lecture titled, "Oh, What a Lovely Useful Catastrophe," on victims, victimhood, and victimizers. In her lecture, Professor Zertal discussed the ways in which national communities have become, in this victim era, enamored with their past catastrophes, and how, while denying other communities' collective traumas, they nurture and groom their own into constitutive foundational myths and national cults to perceive and shape themselves as victim communities. During the week-long summer school, we offered additional educational activities to participants. Dr. Elisa Helms from Central European University in Budapest presented her book published in 2013 entitled Innocence and Victimhood, Gender, Nation, and Women's Activism in Post-War Bosnia-Herzegovina. In this session, in dialogue with Dr. Olivera Simic, Helms discussed her research and findings followed by a Q&A session with the audience. Dr. Maxine David from Surrey University presented students with the recent developments in Ukraine, exploring the role of international system and the challenges posed to the international community. On the 4th day of the summer school, students were invited to attend a city tour of Belgrade. The walking tour along Sava River, Kalemegdan, ending in Republic Square, allowed students to explore Belgrade's rich recent and past history. Enjoy the view of the confluence of the Danube and Sava rivers and get a sense of its current vibes and changes. We ended our last day with a closing ceremony, thanking all the participants, professors, and team for being with us this summer and handing out certificates to all participants. At night, everyone joined us for the rooftop party and a live concert with Belgrade musicians Ana Ćurćin and Duka Takud. Through these activities and the courses we offer, CFCCS as an educational center continues to grapple with some of the most acute and challenging questions today's societies encounter in relation to ongoing conflicts in the 21st century and the legacies and aftermath of past and more recent conflicts. We create critical and challenging learning environments aiming to open more questions with students from the Western Balkans and from all around the world. Lessons learned from the experiences of the post-Yugoslav wars are valuable for the study of many other conflicts and post-conflict societies, enhancing the comparative analysis we offer in search for post-conflict analysis and transformation processes. As we continue to develop our pedagogy and inquiries in peace and conflict studies, we hope to see you with us again or for the first time in Belgrade in the 2015 Summer School in Comparative Conflict Studies.